Hey, Jamie here from New Zealand Mountain Biking, here with Smurf, and we're about to ride hot cross. We've got the whole crew of us. Yin, whoop, rap. Oh, that breeze is so good.
Yeah, oh, it is nice, the breeze.
Wonder what condition this is going to be like. Haven't ridden it since the storm.
Oh, couple of pine cones.
Little grenades.
Yeah.
Whee! It's like firecrackery.
A lot of grenades.
A lot of grenades. It's like riding rocks. Everything's just moving behind you.
Yeah.
It's all just falling into the low line.
So many bloody pine cones. Oh, corner. Wow. There's been a storm here.
I think there has been a storm here.
You can tell.
Mate, that was loose. That was good.
Yeah. So many pine cones.
So that's the top Rudy section. And this
Maybe
section
not so many
kind
pine cones here.
of opens up a bit more.
Flat
Gets a bit
corner.
faster. And coming up's a cool step down into the dip. So you can actually can roll that. You have to pedal up this guy.
Oh, good shit.
So fun.
I got a bit confused there.
Yeah, it's pretty classic because your back wheel's rolling everywhere. Sticks are flicking everywhere.
Yeah. It's like this.
Yeah.
Big pine needles. Pine cones.
It's so cool though because it's like a different trail.
Yeah.
This is the pedally section. Shall we stop?
Yep. Yeah. That's like a track we did in Riverhead the other day. Just so many small sticks everywhere.
The first bit is like a storm just went through. But it all goes. It's good.
That's rowdy.
Yeah. So fun.
It's hard to keep it straight.
Yeah.
There's a lot of pine cones.
A lot of pine cones and like sticks like this little fella and this little fella, and they're just like. Alright. Back in.
Back into the peddler. It's uphill.
I'm just like, what are we gonna find? What are we gonna find?
More sticks.
More sticks, more pine cones.
And an e-biker going past us.
Yeah, this is where the e-bike excels. Rap. Oh, it's a
There's
freshie.
a treebie. Trebe down.
A lot of concentration going on. And this is another little step down, which you can roll.
Fucking hell. Went the wrong way there.
Up. It looks a bit different, eh? With
Oh, very different.
I don't know. There's no like main line.
I thought the track went the other way then.
Yeah. Well, most of the traffic goes down Te Puaka now.
Okay.
So it keeps this one fresh. And at the moment it's keeping it raw.
Yeah.
Coming up, we've got a pretty cool, another rooty tech section. This pointer. And then next up is the last.
I heard that!
Last lot of roots here. A lot of people's nemesis. Wait! Big drop off the back of that berm. Yeah, boy! And then the jumps to finish. So yeah, if you like what you see, let us know. That was sick.
Time.
Loose.
That's good, eh?
Ka-tang!
I heard the cut-tang!
Yeah, boy.
So good.
That was actually like running a new trail.
It wasn't in traffic. That's good. Running out of locals have lots of similar lines. Put the chicane bit up there, and I did the same as you, like pop and
Go wide and then cut in. Yeah.
hold your fish like
Yeah.
There's a nut, that little rooty right-hander there. You probably do the same, jump over the roots, and then you got to jump straight after it. I went below the jump.
Ah, yeah.
So if you actually skipped over the roots, you could just hit the jump.
Yeah.
I didn't know where it was going. Though.
Yeah, where the two trees are, eh? Yeah.
Like the rooty sort
Yep. Yeah, and or unweight going through there. So you just skip over them.
I've never tried to just go.
Oh yeah. I try slow right down so that I can get my timing right to pop it.
Right.
But I don't often get it right.
And that last straight there is just like
Yeah, that felt
That's
off.
horrendous on these things, yeah.
If you're tired,
From one
it
side to the
takes
other.
that extra out of you, you're like, go.
Do you reckon riding the e-bike your ankles take bigger hits?
Maybe, because it's like there's just more weight going through.
Oh, like.
Because the suspension's working for your bike as well.
Yeah.
So it kind of runs out.
They're definitely excelling some bits, eh?
Yeah.